miles south of there, supposedly on her way to her friend Mimosa's house.
It takes 10 minutes to drive from Clinic to Industrial Road. Yeah, I had Craig run it.
Oh, has it? Yeah. 14 minutes of Wendy's time unaccounted for.
That's what I'm saying.
She must have stopped somewhere between the clinic and where Officer Mann clocked her doing 90.
Somewhere in this highlighted area?
There was nothing out there.
Not so fast. Sarah found this in the medicine cabinet. It's posted
G105 Section B. What does it have to do with her medicine cabinet?
Doesn't have anything to do with the medicine cabinet. I thought it was map coordinates or something like that. But it's not. They have a lot of stuff in this area. Storage facility.
It's a cockatoo.